Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on the Samsung Galaxy A14 phone. This phone has a microphone. It's right here. This little hole, oh, here's the microphone. It's kind of, you could say, slightly water resistant, but we're going to use alcohol anyway, and alcohol doesn't harm microphones because it evaporates quickly and won't be there at all. So this is the main microphone. It's used for calls and for recording everything, and at the top we have a second microphone. Oh, now you can see it clearly. And this microphone is used for noise cancellation, for hands-free talking, or for things like recording with a voice recorder, basically for other additional functions. So it's best to clean both microphones to get a real proper effect. For this, we need 100% isopropyl alcohol, which will soften the dust, allow it to come out of these little holes, and then it will completely evaporate, leaving no traces behind. And a brush, one with stiffer, longer bristles, so it can easily reach into the hole, and we can clean it thoroughly. Once we have all this, we can get started. So first we soak the brush in alcohol, but if you don't have this kind of brush, you can also use a regular toothbrush, either soft or medium soft, and it will work just as well. And you can get a set like this, with this kind of brush, or one for soaking in alcohol, in a kit that you can buy on Allegro or Amazon. That way, you simply have professional brushes. So, let's get started. First, we soak the brush in alcohol so that it's wet. If you don't have a diffuser like that, you can simply use a regular container. Just put the brush into the container, submerge it, and have it soak the same way. Hold your phone this way and move in one direction 5 or 6 times, then in the other direction 5 or 6 times. So that it just cleans every side wherever there is access, up to the microphone. Then again, move it to the side about 5 times. The other side 5 times as well, and now the microphone is completely clean. Let's move on to the second one. And here, it's exactly the same. Repeat this 5 times in one direction, then 5 times in the other direction, and then move it forward and backward. In every direction, just so those little holes get the dust softened and pushed out. A few times in each direction, just so the dust comes out, and not so that we're just pushing it further inside. So that's how you do it. Yes, we repeat this in every direction about 5 times, and we'll have a clean microphone. After the procedure, of course, we leave the phone for about 10 minutes, so the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate. Naturally, we do all of this with the phone turned off. Never ever do this with the phone turned on, and you'll have clean, perfectly working microphones. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.